In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your profile in Stack, an essential step for anyone looking to make the most out of this powerful platform. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your setup, these instructions will guide you through the process. So let's dive right in and get your profile optimized for success. First, head over to the Stack website. Once you're there, if you've already created your account, you'll be prompted to specify your primary trades. This is a crucial step since it tailors the platform to better suit your professional focus and needs. Tailoring your trades is like setting a foundation. Having the right one will make your experience on Stack far more effective and relevant. Next, you'll need to select your primary trades from the available options. This selection helps Stack customize your interface and alerts according to your professional domain. The platform offers a variety of options to choose from, so don't rush through this part. Take a moment to consider which trades best align with your business focus and expertise to ensure you're getting targeted, useful information. For this demonstration, we're going to choose Custom Home Builder. Selecting this trade will prompt the platform to adjust its settings and features to align with the needs of custom home builders specifically. Remember, the options you pick at this stage can greatly enhance how beneficial your Stack experience will be. Once you've settled on your primary trades, proceed by clicking on Start Using Stack. This is your gateway into the full feature set of the platform. Clicking this button will finalize your initial setup and open up more detailed options for personalization. Now that you're set up, you can refine your profile even further by navigating to your account settings located in the upper right corner of the platform. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section dedicated to editing your company profile. Here you can enter key information about your business, ensuring that all your interactions on Stack are under the correct company name and details. Within the same settings area, you also have the opportunity to adjust your company preferences, including units of measurement and other specifications pertinent to the nature of your work. Making these adjustments tailors the platform even further, providing insights and data in the format that suits your workflow best. By following these steps, you are positioning yourself and your company to take full advantage of what Stack has to offer. Keeping your profile and settings up to date not only helps with organization, but also ensures that you're receiving the most relevant data and alerts to streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.